For me, listening it's obviously a process. It's always a moving towards. It requires hope and openness. It needs imagination and a kind of expansion.
And we played it with really sort of low basses. It was very much of an embodied experience when you came in. And then from that, you came in here, which was a really big sort of square, and you stepped into that video. That is a nod to the web of life and the way we're intertwined.
Necesitamos esos espacios de sombra para salir del calor abrasante en el que se vive en Barcelona o cualquier ciudad. Barcelona es un ejemplo. Personas que vinieron ya no solo observan, sino que nuestra idea también era que tomaran acción, que vivieran esa realidad, que la sintieran y que pudieran cambiarlo. Así que bueno, la idea es esa, generar red, compartir información sobre viveros, sobre espacios verdes, generar comunidad.
And how it has the potential to be an amazing plant for the future of many things. We focus mostly on the idea of food, but we also were inspired by the sea reclaiming nature, by the fact that we're in Barcelona and the sea is so close. We also looked into it, and there's stuff like seaweed is so good for cultivating, it actually cleans the water more than trees do.
This is a tool for system changer. The events are the tip of an iceberg, but they are just less than the 10% of what is going on. So we focus on the events, what we see, and we react to them when something happens, no? What now?